Hi! In front of me is ULEFONE Armor 17 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Apps section. Now click on Default Apps and select one of those options. I want to change my browser app, so I have to click on it. Tap on Opera in order to set it up, and then select the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!